Do you ever worry about your anchor dragging at night while you're asleep? If so, today we're going to run through a quick tips and tricks video on how to prevent that. My name is Callum Whelan from Marine Jones Riviera Motor Yachts, the Riviera dealership located on the Gold Coast. Today we're going to run through the Garmin anchor drag alarm system. We're on board a late model Riviera 57 flybridge, and as you can see, it's got quite a comprehensive Garmin electronics package. So what we're going to do first is we're going to pull up the navigation screen, and once we've done that, we're going to click on My Vessel along the bottom. That's going to bring up another bar, and we're going to click Settings from there. To the top left, it's going to give us alarms. I'm going to press on that and press on Navigation at the top. Once that's been pressed, that will pick up the anchor drag alarm, second from the top. We want to go into that. And from here, there's a few things we need to think about. We need to think about how much chain we have out and what the current's doing and change of tide. So first thing for this example, we're going to say we're in 5 meters of water and we have 25 meters of chain out. What we want to do is have a little buffer in that. So 25 meters of chain, we want about 35 meters on the anchor drag alarm. So what I'm going to do is press Set Radius and press Other. And then I'm going to come along and enter 35 meters. Press Done. And that's going to automatically turn our alarm on and give us a ring around our position. So from here, we can press Close. And you'll see now our position currently, there's a green ring around us. That's our radius for the anchor drag alarm. So if we slip through the night, anywhere outside that, the boat will alarm and wake you up and cause you to take action. A great feature on these Garmin MFDs is the integration through the Fusion stereo system. So through an NMEA 2000 cable, you can link up the devices. And what this does is if you do come out of this circle and your anchor drag alarm starts to go off, it will push through your boat speakers, ensuring that wherever you are on board, you will hear an alarm. Another key thing to note on this Garmin system is that when you do set the anchor drag alarm, you still have the ability to put all these screens to sleep, meaning you won't have the bright glare at you at night, but the alarm will still be active in the background. So if you do slip anchor during the night, this will still be working in the background and alarm you. So I'll show you how to do that now. All you do is simply press the power button on the bottom right, sorry. That will bring up the next menu. You want to press power again, and it gives you the option for sleep or turn off. So we're going to press sleep, and as you can see, that's dimmed the whole system, and we can simply touch anywhere to wake it back up again. So now that we're all anchored and safe and happy, we're going to come down from the flybridge and we're in the cockpit for entertaining or fishing, anything like that while you're at anchor. As you can see, this flybridge boat has a TV in the cockpit. This is great because Garmin can be interconnected via a HDMI cable and mirror any one of your MFDs up in the flybridge. So right now we have the TV set on the Maps feature, and we can see our anchor drag alarm set like so. So we could leave this on all night and be down here and still monitor where we are and be safe and comfortable. Guys, thanks so much for watching our tips and tricks on the Garmin anchor drag alarm. We'd love to know your feedback, so if you have anything that you want us to cover, please let us know in the comments or reach out directly. Thanks so much again, and we'll see you on the next one.